and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camelo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. Buoyed by the massive success of the Mahamorcha that was attended by thousands of people on Sunday, citizens began Satyagraha from Wednesday. This hunger strike coincided with the novenas of St. Francis Xavier, which also began on Wednesday. The protest will continue until a future course of action is decided upon at a later stage. Speaking to Herald TV, the protesters demanded that the said illegal structure should be demolished.
I'm come here in protest of this bungalow. Now we have done many agitations and everything. Now we finally came to a conclusion that only prayers and hunger strike by doing it in a satyagraha way and by staying hungry, at least the government will have pity on us and bring down the bungalow. This is what I pray.
Okay. Ma'am, you want to say something?
Yeah, I as a Goenkar and have as love for this old Goa and this heritage right from my childhood. I cannot bear and see all this what's happening because I think of the future generation, what's going to happen. This keeps my mind restless. I always think if it's going to happen tomorrow, what is the future of our generation? Where they have their stand tomorrow, and because of that I have come to join this hunger strike today, this satyagraha, because everything will be done peacefully.
To appeal the people of Goa, please come and join the satyagraha. Show your solidarity to the people who are on the satyagraha, on the fasting from morning 8 till morning evening 6. They will be sitting here till the government revokes the NOCs for that illegal construction which they had given. Till that they will go on the hunger strike.
Goa government on Wednesday pulled the plug on all EDM festivals this year by not granting permissions. Sunburn was supposed to be held this year in the state. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that the state cabinet has refused permission for hosting Sunburn festival in the state. He added, "I have already signed on a file refusing permission to host Sunburn this year." While on the other hand, Tourism Minister Babu Asgaonkar has said that Sunburn is happening. Watch.
Looks like Babu's show won't go on as CM cancels all EDM festivals in Goa this year. Now, the Goa government on Wednesday said that the permission will not be granted for any EDM festivals this year. Sunburn was supposed to be held this year in the state in the month of December. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that state cabinet and his government has refused permission for hosting Sunburn festival in the state. He also added that I have already signed on the file refusing permissions to host Sunburn this year. While on the other hand, Tourism Minister Babu Asgaonkar had earlier said that Sunburn is happening this December. Watch. And such festivals will help to boost the tourism in Goa. The 15th edition of Sunburn Festival was scheduled to be held in December this year, with the organizers announcing that it would be open only for the participants who are fully vaccinated. Reacting to the development, State Tourism Minister Babu Asgaonkar said that it's a prerogative of the Chief Minister whether to refuse or allow permissions for Sunburn.
And it is a discussion of the cabinet. Cabinet and donda vishay discuss sallo. Then we have taken with all ministers, we have taken into the confidence and we have come to the conclusion. Sunburn हे फावटी आम्ही परमिशन दिवंक ना आणि सनबर्न आम्ही करिना, कॅन्सल केले आम्ही. म्हणजे सनबर्न आम्ही हे फावटी आम्ही सनबर्नाक परमिशन दिना, फायलीर घालून धाडले. तुका कितें दुबाव आसा? फाइल केली माझ्याकडे.
सनबर्न कैंसिल किया ऐसा सुना है सर?
मुझे तो कुछ मालूम ही नहीं है भाई.
सर आपके सीएम ने बताया और आपको मालूम नहीं?
सीएम को मालूम है, सीएम के पास ही फाइल थी.
पण कित्याक बंद केलो दिसता सर तुमकां? तुम्ही अप्रूव्ह केले न्हू, तुम्ही सांगलेले जावचे म्हणून.
इव्हेंट जावप काय ना जावप हे डिसिजन सीएमाचे आसा.
पण तुका दिसना जावचे म्हणून?
हे जे पॅन्डेमिक टाइम आहा, कशें सिच्युएशन आहा, एसओपी कितें आहा हे तांकां चड खबर आसता.
तुमकां खबर ना?
आमकां खबर आसता, आमच्याकडे आयलो म्हणून ताका डिसिजन घेवपाकूच ताच्या कडेन धाडले.
हय पण तुमकां हे खबर ना टुरिझमाचे कितें बरें
पण फायनल डिसिजन कोण घेता? हेड ऑफ द
सीएम म्हणटा ते कॅन्सल जालें. आता कितें?
आता कितें?
बरें जालें न्ही?
बरें जालें? आणि पहिले तुम्ही म्हणटाले जावपाक जाय म्हणून न्हू.
न्ही हे सिच्युएशन पळोवन तेणे केलं आसतलें न्ही.
सिच्युएशन कितें आहा तर तुमी म्हणटा सगळें सारकें आहा म्हणून न्हू.
सिच्युएशन अजून सारकें ना तेच्या मनान अशी.
तुज्या मनान कितें आहा?
माझ्या मनान सारकें जालां.
तुज्या मनान सारकें आहा तेज्या मनान सारकें ना. तुमकां दिसना जावपाक जाय म्हणून?
जावपाक जायना ते डिसिजन फायनल तेजें.
पूण तुका दिसना तुज्या मत कितें?
टुरिझम इंडस्ट्री ओपन हो रहा है.
टुरिझम जे हें जाला म्हणजे ओपन जाला
ते जावचें आहलें.
हेजेर जावपा अशें म्हाजें मनान आसलें. कळ्ळें तुका. आनी म्हाका जाय आसलें. पण तुका जाता कितें लोकांक जाय तें जावपा जाय न्ही.
मागीर तुमकां नाका म्हणजे लोकांक नाका?
ना ना आमकां लोकांक तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडपा नाका न्ही.
हय पण कोणें ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें तर?
सर जब टुरिझम
पण सीएमान सगळी स्टडी करून ते डिसिजन.
ही स्टडी कोली आसता.
ते म्हाका खबर. पण सीएमान जेन्ना सीएमा कडेन फायल वयता तेन्ना स्टडी करता न्ही तो कितें आहा ते.
पण तुवें दिवन स्टडी करूंक नासतली सर सांगलां आसतलें बाबा जावंक जाय जावंक
आमी
नाका.
खंयचे डिसिजन हांव घेवंक शकना विदाउट फायनल अप्रुवल. फायनल अप्रुवल म्हणटे कोणाले?
सीएमाचें.
सीएमाले.
Congressman Rachano Demelo trained his guns on GPCC President Girish Chorankar, Goa desk in charge Dinesh Gundu Rao, and Alexo Reginaldo Lorenzo on Wednesday after he was expelled from the party. He alleged the spokesman Dr. Ashish Kamath was told not to speak against casinos and consult leader of opposition and Gundu Rao. He accused Girish of working to bring the BJP back to power. Trajano also fired at working president Alexo Reginaldo Lorenzo, saying that he had gone to do fixing with BJP election in charge Devendra Fadnavis at a city hotel late night, and Girish would collect the money.
Ashish Kamath was told not to take the press conference. I've got documents. Consult LOP and consult Gundu Rao on casinos. I told Ashish Kamath, write to him and send me a copy, or you are a part of it. Don't play with me. And Ashish Kamath wrote to them, his copy to me, that you are not permitting us to speak against the casinos. Explain to us. What is it? So, is this not fixing? You want to bring the BJP to power again? Bring it, tell us that. You think by kicking me out I am going to leave the BJP? I was being questioned why I am silent all this time. Now I am pointing out to you, there are so many media persons, show me where they are before the press. Because nobody wants to talk the way they want us to talk. Some are interested in tickets, so they are still waiting there. I have declared in 2017, I will not be in electoral politics. By the grace of God, till today I have maintained it, and I am not interested. This expulsion is to silence the truth. I will not. I will not, wherever I may be. I know that the media trust me and the people of Goa trust me what I speak. It's there for the people of Goa to judge. What made him go back on his public averments that he is swindling funds, and I will not step that office till he is the president. He has to explain that. Yesterday, Fadnavis has explained that he didn't meet me, he met Sawant. He himself said, I went to meet strategists. First he said on the video, he said, he was running away. See that prudent video. He was running away. Then he came back and said, I go for dinner. Now he's got his strategy.
What are cheating people are all fixing. He's the biggest Satan, no?
So PCC president is not an idiot. He will use him.
The auction process for 6 to 8 mining blocks will take place by December 15, 2021. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant announced this at a post-cabinet press briefing on Wednesday. The exploration of the mining blocks has been done by Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited, a Government of India undertaking. The auction will be done through State Bank of India, Sawant told media. The entire auction process will be completed before December 15, he stated. The cabinet also decided to put the NRI Commission under the Home Department for smooth functioning of the commission.
डायरेक्टर DMGच्या अंतर्गत MESCL काही पेमेंट्स करपा जाय आसले 8 ब्लॉक सुमार आमी ऑक्शन्स करता ताजी डिटेल्स अपलोड करपा लायता. Not coal block, mining block. इन गोवा आम्ही DMG करतले म्हणजे इन गोवात करतले न्ही रे. MECL, इट इज इन गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाची PSU. ना एक्सप्लोरेशन करून खंयचे करपाचे ते फायनलायज करता आनी ताज्या उपरांत ऑक्शन जे आसा पळय न्ही हे स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया हांच्या अंतर्गत करतले. इट इज नॉट फायनलायज खंयचे ते पयलीं फायनलायज करून ऑक्शन करपाचें काम हे करतले. रायट, दे हॅव स्टार्टेड द वर्क. रायट. तांकां फायनलायज करून तेची थोडीशी फीज पेमेंट आनी हे ते करपाची आशिल्ली ती आमी DMGंतल्यान करता. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट फायनलायज. ह्या म्हयन्यान कदाचित आमी 15 डिसेंबराच्या पयलीं ऑक्शन करप प्रोसिजर कंप्लीट जातलो. हय, ऑल 8 ब्लॉक्स, 6 to 8 ब्लॉक्स आसा फायनलायज. ऑक्शन थ्रू कॉर्पोरेशन, बट ऑक्शन करपा खातीर SBI जे आहा पळय न्ही तांकां ऑन बोर्ड घेतले. जालो 2% रेट ऑफ इंट्रस्टान फाटली जी गव्हर्मेंट हाजी स्कीम जी खूब किचकट स्कीम आशिल्ली, जी किचकट स्कीम म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन 2-1 वर्स तांचे डिडक्ट केल्ले हे उरतालो, परत गव्हर्मेंटाक डबल रेटीन ते बँकेक पे करचे पडटाले. ताजी स्कीम कंप्लिटली सुटसुटीत केल्या. आमी बँक एम्पॅनल्ड केल्या आनी तांच्यांनी डायरेक्टली बँकेक इन्स्टॉलमेंट पे करप आनी 2% हो ते पे करतले. उरलेलो रेट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट जो आसा पळय न्ही हो गव्हर्मेंट पे करतले. म्हणजे बँक डायरेक्टली रेज द बिल ऑफ इंट्रस्ट टू द गव्हर्मेंट, जेणे करून गव्हर्मेंट तांचो उरलेलो रेट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट जो आहा पळय दितले. 1400 अश्यो केसीस आशिल्ल्यो. 45 केसीस ह्यो तांकां सँक्शन जावपाच्या वाटेर आशिल्ल्यो. ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक ह्या आतां नवीन एक्झिस्टींग आशिल्ल्या तितक्या जाणांक ह्या स्किमीचो फायदो मेळटलो. आनी नवीन जेंकां स्कीम घेवपाक जाय, EDCन आमच्या स्कीम रिवायज केल्ली आहा विथ द 2% रेट ऑफ इंट्रस्टान. तांकां EDCंतल्यान सगळे जे नवीन कोण गव्हर्मेंट एम्प्लॉईज हे लोन घेवपाक सोदता तांकां EDCंतल्यान लोन दिले वयतले.
After the fighting between Joshua D'Souza and Michael, Carlos Almeida and Milind Naik, now war has erupted between two ministers in the Sawant cabinet. Ports Minister Michael Lobo has fired a salvo at Tourism Minister Manohar Babu Asgankar, saying he smells a rat in the tender for Aguada jail going to Drishti. He said the Aguada jail cannot be given out lock, stock and barrel to Drishti. Only cleaning, maintaining, and light and sound show can be given out, not ticketing, Michael said. He also questioned the paltry annual revenue of rupees 1.20 crore yearly from Drishti, saying he would give this money for a month. Babu replied saying that Drishti was the highest bidder and tender is only for operation and maintenance. They cannot print tickets as they like or make money as they like.
Now another war has erupted in the BJP cabinet. This time it is Michael versus Babu Asgankar over the Agwa jail issue. Michael said that the Agwa jail cannot be given out lock, shock and barrel to Drishti. Only cleaning, maintaining and light and sound show can be given out, not ticketing, Michael added. He also questioned the paltry annual revenue of rupees 1.20 crores yearly from Drishti, saying he would give this money for a month. Babu replied saying that Drishti was the highest bidder and tender is only for operation and maintenance. They cannot print tickets as they like or make money as they like.
This jail cannot be given out lock, stock and barrel was my argument in the cabinet, which Chief Minister has agreed and deferred this matter for the next cabinet. And I have told that I have no objection to give the jail on management for cleaning the jail, maintaining it, to do this light and sound show. There is a show which is being proposed, which is light and sound show, which we have invested the money. 25 crores is being invested by the state government under Swadesh Darshan scheme, where the money came from the central government. State government has spent the money, the channel is central government. Now after spending all this money, lock, stock and barrel, the monument cannot be given. I have no objection. I have told that it can be given on cleaning basis to do light and sound show. But if they want to give this lock, stock and barrel, I would give them 1 crore 20 lakhs every month. I'm a businessman. I know the calculations. These calculations, what they have done is wrong. And I have brought it to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister. that he needs to go through this and the agreement what they have signed and what they are talking about 1 crore 20 lakhs a year, that Drishti Life Saving Private Limited, the Drishti is the agency which is there to save the lives on the beach. Drishti cannot come into this. There is something which is going on in this. I smell a rat. As a minister in the cabinet, I have told Chief Minister to go through this.
त्याचे भितर एक कंडिशन असता महत्वाचे, ते कंडिशन म्हणतात ते ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनन्स. ऑपरेशन आनी मेंटेनन्स तेंच्यानी आमी एक मनीस अपॉइंट करपाकूच पडटा आनी तो आमी केला. तो अपॉइंट करताना जेन्ना आमी टेंडर केलें तेजें, त्या टेंडरा भितर दृश्टी आसलेलो आनी 2 कंपनी आसलेल्यो आनी हेजे भितरल्यान जो हायेस्ट आहा तेका दिवपाक पडटा. आनी ते कितें खाली ऑपरेटर आनी मेंटेनन्स ते पळोवपाक सुद्दां आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो मनीस आसतलो. तेका कसले अंताधुंदी करपाक जायना. तेका जाय तशे टिकेटी फाल्यां छापपाक मेळटा. थंय समज कितें इलिगल आसीत जाल्यार एक्शन जातली न्ही.
कितें रॉंग आहा म्हणून सांगता न्हू तो.
म्हाका दिसना काय रॉंग आहा म्हणून.
मग तो कित्याक उलयता?
रॉंग जाल्यार ताणें वचपाचें.
President of Goa State Industries Association, Damodar Kochkar, has hit out at red tapeism and harassment meted out to businessmen at industrial estates in Goa. He said that industries are not coming to Goa since the opinion about ecosystems and operations is not good. Government should give permission to set up industries within 30 days, he said. The system should be made transparent. Even those who are functioning for 40 years are getting notices for not using their sheds. Rules vary from person to person, Kochkar pointed out.
Drone industry set up करपाक काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. एक्चुअली हांगा वेर्ना ऑलमोस्ट 24 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जागो परत घेतला. ऑक्शन चालू केलें ताणें, तरी पूण इंडस्ट्री येना. एटलिस्ट दॅट यू कन्सिडर न्ही कित्याक येना इंडस्ट्री? बिकॉज हेल्थ आनी जे आसा तांचें ओपिनियन अजून सारकें ना ऑपरेशना बद्दल. त्या खातीर दुसरी इंडस्ट्री येना. सो पयलीं तुमी ते जाग्यार उडया. कोणूय आयल्यार तांकां विदीन 30 डेज जशें अनावन्स केल्लें पळय सीएमान, 30 डेजान सगळी परमिशन दिया. रेड टेपिझम काडा. सगळ्यो फायली प्रत्येक फावटी कनेक्शनाक, उदकाच्या कनेक्शनाक, लायसन्साक मिनिस्टरा कडेन नाल्यार हाचे कडेन वता पळय ते बंद करा. फूल सिस्टम ट्रान्सपरंट करा. कित्याक येवचे ना लोक हांगा? हांगासरले लोकूच वचून आपली फॅक्टरी घालतले. आतां कोण हांगा आसा तांकांच तुमी सतायता. कोणें 40 वर्सां शेड घेतली तांकां तुमी नोटीसी धाडटा परत दिया म्हणून, ते थोडे दीस बंद आहा म्हणून. कितें करपाचें?
देर इज नो ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस.
देर इज नो एब्सोल्युटली नो ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस. देर इज नो ट्रान्सपरन्सी. एकट्याक एक रूल, दुसऱ्याक दुसरो रूल. रूल सगळ्या कॉमन आसपा जाय न्ही. हांव म्हणटा रूल करा, तुमी स्ट्रिक्ट करा, पण एकट्याक रूल एक दुसऱ्याक दुसरो करनाका. That has to be done.
Claiming that the situation at the wholesale fish market is very pathetic, the wholesale fish traders of Margam have decided not to pay the support to the support collector engaged by South Goa Planning and Department Authority if the cleanliness and illumination of the market is not carried out by November 30th. However, SGPDA Chairman Wilfred Desai refuted the allegations.
कितले फाटी आमी झगडपाचे तेजे कडेन, पूण आयज आमी अशें एसोसिएशनाची मिटींग करून आमी एक डिसिजन घेतलेलें आसा. 30 तारखे भितर मार्केटाची लायट आनी मार्केटाची जी न्यूसेन्स आसा, ते चिकोल भरलेलो आसा, डर्टीनेस आसा, ते समज 30 तारखे पयलीं तो करना जाल्यार 1 तारखेच्यान आमी सोपोचे पयशे दिवचेच ना. आमी बंद करतले पयशे. आमी नुस्तें हाडून विकतले, पूण आमी ताका सोपो दिवचो ना. पूण ताणें क्लियर करून फूल फ्लेज आमकां मार्केटा भितर लायट जाय आनी मार्केट क्लीन केलेली जाय. तो करना जाल्यार आमी ताका 1 तारखेच्यान पयशे दिवचे ना. अंतू खंय तरी लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम जाले, हेची जबाबदारी ते सोपो कलेक्टराक आसतली आनी पीडीएक आसतली. इंतू आमची कांयच जबाबदारी आसची ना. आमी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवचीच ना. ही रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ताची आसतली. आमी ताका टायम दिला 1 वीक. फाटले 2 म्हयन्यान ताका सांगत आसा. आमगे क्लार्क वचून ताका प्रत्येक फावटी सांगता, अरे हें सारकें ना, तें क्लियर ना. तो कांयच करपाक तयार ना, तो आयकपाकूच तयार ना. आमचो मेमोरंडम आसा तो आमी पीडीएक दिल्लो. रिप्रेझेंटेशन गेली आम्ही प्रत्येक चेअरमॅनाक 2-3 पार्टी मेळ्ळे आम्ही प्रत्येक पार्टी गेला तेन्ना चेअरमॅन सांगता आमकां की बरें आसा आपूण ते करता हे करता डेव्हलपमेंट करता सगळें करता म्हणपाक लागलो पूण आयज पर्यंत ते कांयच करूंक ना पूण फाटले 2-3 म्हयन्यान तुमी पळयले आसतले जी मार्केटची परिस्थिती आसा थंय पांय घालपाक मेळना नुस्तें विकपाचें सोड पांय घालपाक मेळना एक आमचो एसोसिएशनाचो मेंबराचे तेगे सेप्टीक जावन तेगे आज फाल्यां भितर एक पांय कातरपा आसा असली परिस्थिती जावन आसा
Vegetable Ready-Made Cloth Vendors Association of Gandhi Market is a motion regarding just a reminder. They had given on the application dated 23/9/2021, asking us to clear all the hawkers, illegal peddlers, vendors sitting on the road doing illegal business. So today they have come as a reminder for us to take action against all these hawkers, vendors who are sitting on the road. So myself, chief officer, we have taken a decision that we'll do one drive in this week to clear all these people who are selling illegal items on the road. They say that the business, the actual shopkeepers who has got doesn't get business because of this illegal thing. So we'll take a drive against all illegal activities taking place in Gandhi Market and the New Market.
Even as there is confusion regarding airports counters between taxi operators and Goa Miles, now the Vasco Pilot Motorcycle Association members have raised a demand for a counter at Dabolim Airport. They said this is required for their survival. They added that Goa is the only place in the country where pilots exist and government must support the traditional business.
आता गव्हर्नमेंट हेल्प करत जाता म्हाका आमी जायते भशेन आतां वास्को म्हटल्यार इतले ते प्रायवेट गाडी जाला ताका लागून आमी खुबशे आमी प्रयत्न केले आरटीओ लेटर दिले पोलिसांक लेटर दिले MLA लेटर दिले कोण कांयच करपाक शकना प्रायवेट भाडे मारतात पण हिच्या मध्ये आमकां तांकां कांय सांगपाक शकना कित्याक तेंचे बी पोट आहा आमी कांय सांगपाक शकना आमची विनंती आहा की तांकां मातशें कितें करून दिवपाचें आनी आमकां मागीर कितें हें करून दिवपाचें ताका लागून की तुमी जर एअरपोर्टाक आमकां कितें करून दिता आमकां बरे भशेन जातालें हेंच जाय आनी कांय ना विनंती करता आमचे फुडें
आता आमचे फुडें जे आमचे भुरगे आहा ते आतां भाडे मारूं शकना आनी आमी आहा जे आमी हे गोंयाचेच आहा आमचे पायलट गोंयानूच आहा आनी हांव सांगता सर की कितें आहा मातशी आमकां ते एअरपोर्टार मातशी एक त्रास दिल्यार बरें पडटलें आमकां अशें हें सांगपाचें हांव
त्रास जाता म्हणटकच हांगा बिजनस ना आमचे आनी आमकां कांय हें ना आमी अशें पावसान वतान बी अशें रावतात आमी आनी ताका लागून आमकां एअरपोर्टाक एक पॉइंटर आनी हे दीत आमकां थिंगा लुगार दीत जाल्यार आमचें कितें बरें जावपाक शकता आनी थिंगा आमी पयलीं आसलेले थिंगा आमी थिंगा काडल्या बरे दीस काडल्या आनी हाचे फुडें जर गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां जर कितें काउंटर नाजाल्यार थिंगा स्टँड अशें कितें दीत जाल्यार आमी आमचे भितर आमी करून घेतले मॅनेज करून घेतले
बहुत तकलीफ है हम लोग को पेट्रोल भी बहुत महंगा हो गया है भाड़ा भी बहुत कम लग रहा है और बहुत मुश्किल से है हम लोग को और यहाँ भी जो कोरोना के बाद बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ है और हम लोग को भी यहाँ बहुत गाड़ी हो गया सर इसलिए हम लोग का हम लोग को एयरपोर्ट पर रखा जाए तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा सर हम लोग को 2-4 भाड़ा मिलेगा उधर से हम लोग को जीव का चलेगा सर
Now, Aam Aadmi Party leader Puti Gaonkar questioned the BJP government to show the party's development in Goa for the last 10 years. Gaonkar said that the huge bridge, Atal Setu, which was opened recently, has come for repair immediately. He also alleged that BJP government is selling jobs to the Goans for money in the name of employment. Watch.
आणि त्या रिटायर वर्कराक ऑफर दिल्या इन रायटींग फक्त डेट ना आणि तेजें नांव घातलां हे पळय आणि सायनय मारल्या कोणी मारल्या ती खबर ना डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन PWD आणि हेज्या कडल्यान बावड्या कडल्यान 5 लाख रुपया घेतल्या ही पळय ऑर्डर रेडी आसा ही ताका हे दिल्या कॉपी दिल्या ताका तुका जाल्यार कॉपी मागीर दिता ही मातशी हे फेक येयल्या आतां येतली म्हाका नवी कॉपी तर ही कॉपी जी आसा ही कॉपी वाटल्या तांकां तेजे कडल्यान 5 लाख रुपया घेतल्या बावड्या कडल्यान आनी तो रिटायर्ड आणि ते नोकरी ना ताका आणि तेजे पयशे गेले हांव विनंती करता, आव्हान करता सगळ्या जे आमचे आज एस्पिरंट आसा ते विचार करात पयशे दिवच्या पयलीं. कारण हे सरकार जे आसा हे फक्त नोकऱ्यो विकपाक फुडें सरलेले आसात. फक्त साखळेंत म्हाजें नांव डिक्लेअर जातकच बऱ्याचशा लोकांक बावड्यांक ऑफरी मेळ्ळ्यात विथआउट मनी फर्स्ट टायम. हे जे हांगा करप्शन चलना पळय कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट आनी हो सरकार जे करप्शन करतात, ह्यो ज्यो हांगा बोटी जितल्यो आसात पळय कॅशिनो आनी सगळ्यो, ते कितल्याची सर्वे आसा काय म्हणून विचारचें. डिली बिल्डकॉनाची ज्यो जितल्यो हे आसात थंय वेसल्स आसात एकट्याकय सर्वे ना. हांवें चीफ सेक्रेटरी कंप्लेंट केल्या, सेक्रेटरी इनलँडाक कंप्लेंट केल्या, तेजेर कोणूय एक्शन घेवना. आज गोंयच्यो बार्जी बिंदास नो एनओसी नासतना बिंदास गोंयच्या आमच्या उदकांतल्यान महाराष्ट्रात कर्नाटकांत वयतात. एक्चुअली एनओसी घेतल्या शिवाय कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट आनी लेबर कमिशनाची एनओसी घेतल्या शिवाय बार्जी हांगाच्यान काडूंक जायना. पूण हो कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट जे आसा हे सगळें हांगा सेटींग चल्लेलें आसा, करप्शन चल्लेलें आसा. कारण जर सर्वे नासल्यो, जर लिगल आसा जाल्यार कोण पयशे दिवचो ना. इल्लिगल जर करपाक मेळटा थंयच पयशे मेळटात. म्हणून हांकां इल्लिगल करात तुमी आनी आमकां पयशे दियात अशें ह्या सरकार चल्ल्या. खंयच्या तरी मार्गान हो पयसो हाडपाचो अशें चल्लेलें आसा.
Novenas to Goa's most revered saint, Saint Francis Xavier, began with a mass at 5 a.m. This year, the theme of the novena and feast is "Stay with us, Lord," to live communion, participation, mission like Saint Francis Xavier. Daily masses will be at 5 a.m., 6:30 a.m., 8 a.m., 9:30 a.m., and 11 a.m., while the afternoon and evening masses will be at 12:30 p.m., 2 p.m., 3:30 p.m., 5 p.m., all in Konkani. There will be one English Mass at 6:30 p.m. Masses in other languages will be mostly said on Sunday. Herald TV has a special live telecast of Novena Masses at 6:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. daily. The novenas will culminate with the feast of 3rd December.
बापाचे आनी पुताचे आनी पवित्र आत्म्याचे नांवी.
भाग्यवन सुसेक देवाचो अणभव एकान एक मेळ्ळो. ही एक्सपिरियन्स जीसस पर्सनली इन हिज लायफ. आनी ह्या खातीर भाग्यवन सुसेक आमी आमच्या थोड्या मुखार दवरून देव अणभवान वाडूंक आमकां ह्या मिसा भेटींत आमकां कृपा मागुया.
पातकांचे बोगसणे मेळच्याक तुमचे पासत आनी सोमेस्त मनशां पासत तें वारोवतलें. हे म्हज्या उगडासाक करात. आमच्या काळजांत येता ताका घेवंक आमी फुडें सोदता ती आमी सगळीं सुभागी. तुवें म्हजे भितर येवचें म्हाका फावना, पूण तुज्या एकाच उतरान म्हाका
Deva utorai kun Jivit papak bedong Skogli ektai zayan Deva mogagaya.
And now let's wind up by having a look at the cartoon of the day. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please do follow us at Oheraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.